in some far place, and it causes you to rethink some things, start to sense slowly you're becoming someone else. Then you find yourself when you make new friends in a far place, and it causes you to rethink some things, the things that could have been lost on you are now clear as a bell. And then you find yourself, that's when you find yourself, when you go through life so sure where you're headed, and you wind up lost. It's the best thing that could have happened. Sometimes when you lose your way, it's really just as well, because you find yourself. That's when you find yourself, when you find the one you've been searching for, and she's everything you can want it more. You look at her, you slowly start to live for someone else. Then you find yourself, that's when you find yourself.
Please forgive me. I could not give you a standing O because I'm rolling over my dress and my hair all night long. So I would have been standing with these guys if I could have. Again, you just have the ability to connect with people. You're such a great storyteller. You are all heart. You are all like sunshine and positivity and just all that is good in the world when you sing. Thank you for that. We felt it.
Thunder's rolling. Let's go.
I'm trying to talk. I'm just playing. I agree. When I look at what brought you to this point in your life, and I see the images of like that room with your dad and all of those instruments, and I see you sitting in there, and then we find out you play piano, and then we find out you play guitar so well, and then we find out you like keep rhythm on guitar. And just remember all of that time in that room with your dad, that's so special to you, and that's why you're here, and you deserve every second of being here. Yeah.
You don't really realize while you're watching your father do what he's doing. You don't really realize you're soaking it all up. But what you did soak up, that I don't know where you found this from, but the ability to take an audience and focus them. You are a vibe master. I mean, when I say that, you can take whatever's happening, the up-tempo song, whatever, but when you step on stage, it shrinks down to, I want you to listen to what I'm saying. And you do such a great job at that. Congratulations, man.
Thank you, Ryan.